Hi, my name is Aishwarya. Today I am going to explain Project 7, which is impacts on car features. Let us go into this. This is our Project 7, analyzing the impacts of car features on price and probability. So I have downloaded the dataset which is given in this slide. This is our dataset which has downloaded from for project. So the first step I did is this is a this is our raw data. So the first step I did was calculated the blank cells for each using the count blank function, and after that deleted the blank rows, blank values on the rows, and removed duplicate values also, and replaced the unknown transmission type. So in this sheet I have calculated the blank cells using count blank function. So in next step I have deleted the rows, blank rows, null value rows, and duplicate rows. And then next one, in transmission type I have replaced the unknown value to the automatic. These are the steps I have done for data cleaning. After that, moving to the task, there were two types of tasks. First is um, analysis. So moving to analysis task, the first task is create a pivot table that shows the number of car models in each market category and their corresponding popularity scores. So moving to the Excel. For task 1, I have taken model market category and popularity and calculated a pivot table. So by selecting this, insert pivot table, in the existing row itself, and given a value to that. And they have asked for number of car models in each category and corresponding popularity scores. So I have taken market category 2 rows and model for count and popularity. Sorry. I have taken count of model and popularity. So for popularity they asked for average. So for changing I have clicked on it and changed it to average. This is the pivot table I got. Market category, count of model, and average of popularity. For this, decimal contain to reduce the decimal value, clicking on number format, number, and reducing it to So the decimal value after it is 1, reduce it to 1. After that, moving to task 1B, create a combo chart that visualizes the relationship between market category and popularity. So, clicking on it and pivot chart. Custard, I'm using stack column. By clicking on this, we can get the any type of charts for the required table. I have used this type of chart to show the relationship between market category and popularity. So this is the task 119. After that, moving to the task 2, create a scatter plot that plots engine power on the x-axis and price on the y-axis. Add a trend line to the chart to visualize the relationship between these variables. So moving to task 2, I have taken engine HP and price, which is MSRP. So taken these two columns and inserted a scatter plot, and in this added a trend line and edited the title and given some changes in the chart. This type of scatter chart I have used for the task 2. That's all. And moving to the task 3, which is use regression analysis to identify the variable that have a strongest relationship with the car price, and then create a bar chart that shows a coefficient value for each variable to visualize their relationship. So I'm moving to task 3. So in task 1 I have attached the screenshots also for all the tasks. So moving to task 3, I have taken engine HP, engine cylinder, and number of doors, highway, city, MPG, and price, which is MSRP. I have calculated it in Excel online. This is the one Excel engine HP, engine cylinders, highway MPG, city MPG, and MSRP. So clicking all these I have used a table touch for regression. Moving to linear regression and clicking on fit model as label MSRP is the independent variable. So we got the learning actions and summary. These are the summary values they gave and added a summary sheet. This is the one I have attached in this linear regression summary and the below table. From this I have taken feature and coefficient and calculated a column chart for this and calculated a correlation for each of the variables. Moving to task 4, which is create a pivot table that shows the average price of cars for each car manufacturer. So moving to task 4, I have taken make an MSRP, which is I have renamed the make to manufacturer and calculated a pivot table for it. Answer pivot table in the existing worksheets itself. Clicking on which table to which cell to insert. Insert. Moving on to clicking on pivot table in the existing cell. Make two rows and MSRP two values and we want the average of it, so we can set it to average. Average two rows, manufacture two rows and values. Price to values and change it as average. And for this, calculated a pivot chart for it. This is the gadget I have used for the car manufacturer with price type field in the first line. I have created the pivot table and calculated the budget for it also. Moving to the last task of analysis, which is task 5. Create a scatter plot with the number of cylinders on the x-axis and highway MPG on the y-axis. Then create a trend line on the scatter plot to visualize the which way estimate the slope of relationship and assess its significance. Moving to task 5, I have taken engine cylinder and highway MPG and taken the scatter chart. Scatter chart and added a trend line. And did some changes to that. So moving to task 5B, calculate the correlation coefficient between the number of cylinders and the highway MPG to quantify the strength and direction of relationship. For task B, I have taken engine cylinder and highway MPG the same way in columns also, and calculated a correlation using a correl function. For correlation for um, engine cylinder and highway MPG is this value. Next task is building a dashboard. So in the next part of task, building a dashboard, moving to task 1, they told to how does the distribution of card price vary by brand and body style. So moving to task 1 on and building a dashboard, I have taken make column vehicle style and price MSRP and converted a pivot table for it. And moving make two rows and vehicle cycle to columns and MSRP to values. This is the way we got the pivot table. After this, they told to use a stacked column chart to show the distribution of card price by brand and body style. Use filters. Calculate the total MSRP for each brand and body style using SUMIF table. After creating a pivot table, I have used this chart. And now I make two x-axis and sum of MSRP in values and legends as vehicle style. Moving to the second task. This is the steps I have done for task 1 in build and dashboard building. This is the pivot table values. Attach the screenshots with our chart. The second task is which card brand has the highest and lowest average MSRPs and how does this vary by style, body style. Client used to be told to use the cluster column chart to compare the average MSRP across different car brands and styles. They used to be told to calculate the average MSP for each brand and style using average for pivot tables. So by the same way as we did in um, task 1, by the same way we are going to do it, and instead of sum of MSRP we have to change it to average. So I have taken these three columns, make, vehicle style and MSRP, and taken a pivot table. I inserted a pivot table. Sorry. Inserted a pivot table. Moving make two rows. And MSRP to values and changing it to average. The same way created a pivot chart showing the average car price by brand and body style. How do the different features such as transmission type affect the MSRP and how does this vary by body style? They used to they told to use the scatter plot chart to visualize the relationship between MSRP and transmission type with the different symbols for each body style. They told to calculate average MSRP for each combination of transmission type and body style using averages or pivot tables. For task 3, I have taken transmission type, vehicle style and MSRP and calculated a pivot table. The same way, in the pivot table, I have taken vehicle style as rows, and for columns, I have taken transmission type and moved MSRP to values and changed it to average. By this way, I have taken the pivot table. After this, for scatter plot, I have copy pasted the table in the new Excel and calculated a scatter chart. Scatter chart. In next access I have used vehicle style, and for legends I have used these automatic manual, automatic drive detect, and direct drive manual. By this way I have done the scatter chart for this task 3. Attach as a screenshot for reference. After that, moving to task 4. How does the fuel efficiency of cars vary across different body styles and model years? The hint is use line chart to show the trend of fuel efficiency. Line chart to show the trend of fuel efficiency over time for each body style, and calculate the average MPG for each combination of body style and model year using average for pivot tables. So moving to task 4, I have taken year, high MPG, vehicle style and city MPG, and calculated a pivot table for it. Insert pivot table and existing table itself, and taken one step and moving here to rows, and vehicle style to rows, and highway MPG to values, and change it to average. So in 1990 we can see the various vehicle styles and their average of highway MPG. By this way we can for get it for all other years also, and calculated a line chart for that. For pivot chart I have the same way, here and vehicle style and access, and average of high MPG in values, and I added a trend line also. And moving to task 5, last last task is how does the car's horsepower, MPG and power price vary across different brands? Bubble chart to they hint us to use bubble chart to visualize the relationship between horsepower, MPG and price across different car brands. Assign different colors to each brand and label the bubble chart of each car model. Calculate the average horsepower, MPG and MSRP for each car brand using average for pivot table. Moving to last task, I have taken make, engine HP, highway MPG and MSRP and calculated a pivot table, taken make in rows and, and taken highway MPG, MSRP and engine HP as average count and copy pasting it in another Excel. After this, I have copy pasted these values in insert chart, and here we can take a bubble chart for it. You see, moving engine HP to y-axis. So moving engine HP to x-axis and y-axis as y-axis. Take an engine HP as x-axis and highway MPG as y-axis and MSRP to series and get some changes in that. This is the task 5 related screenshots. Thank you.